Angel, and today we are going to be playing Press the Button. Link down the description. And yeah, Caitlin's back for today. And thank you all so much for 40 subs. Woohoo! We got 40 subs, and now we need to make it to the end of this. Okay, but first let's collect some of these coins.
In fact, I'm actually lost.
Oh man. I don't. Okay, guys, so this is a tip when you're like doing mazes. You must always go forward. Wherever you go, just keep going forward. We started really late at this one. This is sad.
Okay, I got it dead end.
Oh my gosh, you guys died, and I almost died as well.
I died.
I didn't.
Oh my god.
Alright, I'm gonna press the button.
Oh, coin.
I'm gonna press the
Diamond,
button.
You're mine.
I think if you press the button, you get like extra points.
Oh my god.
I see a Doge. Oh my, too much Doge.
I love you, Doge. I love
Wow,
you.
Doge. Okay, oh my gosh, so much Doge.
Wait, we're supposed to put this in?
Wait, what? Die!
I got pushed out.
Do you spawn like above? Do you spawn above?
I don't know.
I can't move.
Wait, I haven't spawned yet.
I can't move.
Oh, I spawned above.
Stop it.
You guys are too crazy. Oh my gosh.
So yeah.
I'm gonna win this!
There's like
Die!
2 left.
Die!
You win.
Oh, yeah, I win. Oh yeah, let's go. I got 5 extra coins for winning. Now I'm gonna press the button. Alright, I pressed the button. Tsunami!
Mommy's coming, no.
Where's the Tsunami? Oh, I see a Tsunami over there. I think we still have a lot of time though. Where's the Tsunami? The Tsunami's like very far. Oh my gosh, never mind. The Tsunami's actually really fast.
It's real fast, alright.
Oh, I died. I shouldn't have waited. I didn't know it was gonna be that fast. It was just waiting. Let's press the button.
No, I hate you.
Press the button. Get ready for snowball fight. Oh no.
Get away from me, get away.
Everyone, snowball fight. Begin! Rah! I think I got a hit on the bacon earlier. Get that girl up there. She's like camper. She's camping on one spot. Get the girl on the hill, guys. She's camping that hill.
I can literally hear our mouses right now.
Kill her. Kill her. Kill them all. Oh, time's up. GG, guys.
Is my life still full?
No, you have a half life left. Alright, hit the button. What's the next? Oh, a diamond is in the cave. Collect it before I move. This person has a speed coil. No fair. How do you get the speed coil?
I'll do that.
Are you sure? Oh, someone got a diamond already. Okay, let's click the button. How do we buy
No, what is
the
this? No. Stay near your button. Stay near your button. That's how it works.
Oh, I already have the speed coil. I already bought it. It wasn't even gonna squish that much. I have a speed coil, so now I can go really fast. I think you already have it because like I had it on.
I don't have it.
You don't? Oh, I must have bought it already before because it said I already had it.
I have it.
Is there anything better to like?
There's a shop where you can buy it.
Yo,
And
someone
the
has a
speed
door.
There's a whoopee cushion. I must get the whoopee cushion. I'm gonna grab the whoopee cushion.
Everyone
I also already bought a bear and epic duck. Don't press the button sign. Okay, that's cool. I should get something else. Okay, I have a whoopee cushion.
Oh, no.
Step on my whoopee cushion. Oh my god. Okay, and I have a teddy bear, Mr. Rubber Ducky, and I have an I love. Don't press the button. Oh, hurry up! There's a hole in the wall. I think this is lava, not a
Oh my
wall.
God.
Oh my gosh. Acacia! Oh, I stepped on my whoopee cushion. Score a goal with the soccer ball. Oh man. Oh man. We must get this goal.
There.
Get it in there. Not Caitlin Jade scored. Good job, not Caitlin Jade. And I shall put. Someone stepped on my whoopee cushion. Score a goal with a soccer ball. Okay. I'm gonna apply my whoopee cushion right there. Make it go to the void. Come on, let's make it go to the void for YouTube. Oh yeah, let's make it go for the void.
It won't. There's a barrier.
Oh, there is. Oh, sad. Did someone step on my whoopee? Yeah, I think someone did. Here's another whoopee cushion.
Yeah, no, it's not.
Oh,
It's not.
sad.
Oh, I got it.
Oh, no one scored. Hey, Akeisha, come here. Akeisha, come here. Come here, Akeisha. I want you to step on my whoopee cushion.
Oh, it's.
So that's what happens.
Yo, I need
Time to take a
clip.
picture. Get the white background to be in the picture. Look at that. Nice picture.
Oh my
Oh my
gosh.
god. People, step on my whoopee cushion. Step on my whoopee cushion for YouTube. Oh, someone stepped on it. Fart.
Yo, where'd you
Lava's
go?
right there.
Does it look like I'm afraid of the lava? Actually, yeah, this happened earlier.
Oh,
Oh, oh my, lava's right. Oh, I also died. It was way too fast. Never mind. Why do I keep trying to like not rush it? Well, anyways here, I love Don't Press the Button. It's really fun here.
Yep.
Yeah, links in the
It's also
description
very
to play this.
Like,
Make it snow, make it snow.
snow, snow.
Well, I have this foam finger. Okay.
My,
Oh, I need this. I need this fluffy unicorn. That's so beautiful. I'm gonna save up for that one.
blue.
Quick, go to one of the corners closing.
This
in.
might be very risky, but who cares?
Yeah, let's go to this one right here. Time is up. Oh, okay, we're good. We're good. Let's go to
That's all
green.
it is.
Green. I'm gonna go for green because my I shouldn't have done that. Anyways, I have my #1 sign. I'm the first one eliminated. Okay, let's see. Trying to you guys. Did someone die? Great job on survive. If I'm the only one who didn't survive, yep, I'm the only one who didn't survive. This is sad.
Oh,
Let's time to play Death Run. Knock Henry has to stop the runners from reaching the end using.
no, it's I.
You're the Death Runner. All right. Oh. Oh! Tricky. Oh, that guy tried to run. Okay, let's
So.
this one.
Oh no.
Wait, we can still make it.
Oh, I can use that.
What does this do?
I don't know.
No.
Oh, I still died.
You guys are bad.
How did that happen? That wasn't supposed to
Who
happen.
keeps farting?
Is that my whoopee cushion? Is people stepping on my whoopee cushion?
What's the next
Uh-oh, the
one?
button disappeared. Press the button if you found it. Oh, there.
I fell.
That was
I
pretty
fell on
easy
the
to
void.
find, I guess. You fell off the void in this big of a map. Well, I mean, it's not that big actually. It was pretty fun. Okay.
Uh-oh.
Get ready to push each other with a blow dryer. Okay, I'm gonna get away from this. Begin! Are you not even gonna try and attack people and you're just gonna start hiding?
My camera roasted in the wrong.
No! How'd you kill me? No! I was really good at this earlier. Anyways, how much money do we have for the diamond? Oh, that's.
I win. Ah.
I can get a cookie. That's yummy. Ooh, block sugar. Bubble gum. That's cool. Okay.
Press.
Number one.
Keisha, I'm
Number
truly
one.
sorry.
Go, don't press the button. I love you. Let's go.
Keisha, I'm truly sorry for killing you earlier.
Woohoo. Woohoo. Let's go. Let's go.
How do you do this?
Woohoo. Alright. Anyways, I better act serious now. Whoopee cushion. Who has the petition?
Blackest bunk.
Oh, how did I die?
Blackest bunk.
Someone step on me. Whoopee cushion.
Blackest bunk. Someone wake up.
Oh. It's a bot. Oh, it's a bot.
Someone step on my whoopee cushion.
There's a bot and a nut. Oh, wow.
Oh, wow.
Coin's mine, coin's mine, coin's mine.
Hey, I got the coin. Whoopee cushion.
There was a coin?
Yeah, there's a coin. Diamond. Oh, thanks.
Oh, man.
Now I shall whoopee cushion you
I
for
don't
stealing
have
my
mine.
diamond. Yeetus.
No.
Alright, I got the button. Now I shall add whoopee cushion there. Anyone who goes near the button is gonna get
Oh, we
whoopee
need to push
cushion.
it off.
Guys, push it out. Push it out. Now.
Hurry up
Out the
before
map.
it's gonna explode the map.
Bye.
This is really fun. I like this.
Same.
Where's the mom?
Okay, and this is going to be the last round for today. Whoa! Okay, those are scary. Are there gonna be more? Oh, I fell. Okay, so guys, that's the end for today's video. We hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And when you subscribe, don't forget to ring the bell button so that you'll be notified whenever we post a brand new video. Goodbye, guys!
Bye.
Okay, we're